Look at this amazing bubble animation. There's a reason you can't stop watching. In this video, I'll show you how to create this animation step by step. Open Canva and click on Video. You'll see a variety of video frames here. Choose the one that best fits your design needs. Go to Elements, then search for or select the image you want to add to your design. Here's a pro tip. If you click directly on the image, you won't be able to resize it properly. You'll notice it doesn't move at all. You can't resize it or drag it in any direction. To move it, hold the image and drag it into one corner of the frame. Next, click on Edit. Scroll down and then click on Blur. By default, Brush is selected. You'll need to switch it to Whole Image. Increase the intensity either by entering a number or by moving this slider. Next, go to Animate. Scroll down and here, select the Breathe animation. Here you have two options. Take a look at both and choose the one that best fits your design. Now go back to Elements and search for Bokeh. This will help make your animation look much more realistic and polished. Select Graphics and then click on See All to view all the available designs. Once you've chosen the style, go ahead and resize it to fit your design. The next step is to animate it, and to do that, just click on Animate. Scroll down and click on Rotate to add this effect to your element. From here, you can increase or decrease the rotation speed to get the effect just the way you want. Now, go back to Elements and search for Wood Floor. This will give us a nice background to enhance our design. Find it in Elements and choose the one that fits your needs. Now, add a frame to your design. In the Elements section, search for Building or anything else you'd like to see in the bubble. Go back to Elements and search for Transparent Bubble. In the Graphics section, choose the bubble you'd like to add to your design. Resize it and position it properly at the top of the circle. If it starts merging into the circle, select the circle and lock it, just like this. Now go back to Elements and search for Light. Go back to Elements and search for Shadow. And choose the shadow shape that best fits your design. Resize it and place it properly beneath the bubble design. And here is the final result. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and press the follow button for more tips and tricks.